Are you an administrative assistant, secretary, or involved in another profession that involves a lot of work on a computer? More and more jobs are involving lots of time at a computer, looking at the screen and keyboarding. That very position places certain pressure on the neck, on the shoulders, on the upper back, and on your arms. And if you've been involved in a car accident and you've hurt those areas of your body, you need to be aware of exactly that. And any rehabilitation that you're involved in needs to take the pressures of your job, the physical aspects of your job, directly into account. So, if you've been hurt in a car accident and your job involves looking at a computer screen in a static position and working on a keyboard, you need to understand that you're unique. Your job demands are unique, and those need to be taken into account. If you want to chat more about your unique situation, give me a call at Macomb Whitten. I'm Jeff Whitten.